Hello, my name is Brent Hardgrave. I'm the extension expert here at Jameson Shaw Hairdressers, and I wanted to give you guys a few tips of what to do when that client sits in your chair and says, you know, my ponytail is just not as thick as it used to be. And how many of us wanted to actually see a firmer line or a little bit more straight in the front? I'm going to show you with just 5 extensions, which by the way, we're going to change the wording a little bit, 5 extensions to fill in her hair. So this is Aura, she's going to be my model today, and I'm going to go ahead and section up. If you notice here, she's got a lot of strength right behind her ear, but then right here in the very front is where she needs a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to section out, taking horizontal sections, get the hair out of the way. You always want to be thinking about what kind of sunglasses are they wearing, and do they pull their hair behind their ears. So right now, I've got this here. We're going to isolate out the area. And then now we're looking at the extension placing area. Notice how I go in and I make the line extremely clean. It's very important that you have horizontal lines when you're doing this. So what I call these is I call them fillers. Fillers are a nice way for a person to introduce themselves into extensions, because when you say extensions, a client's automatically going to go straight to down to here, and that's not necessarily true. So we're going to go through and simply place 5 of these in, and it's a very quick service. First place I'm going to do is I'm going to do to the merging area, which is right above the ear and just right behind it. Turn her a little bit this way so you can see what I'm doing. Put my hand in here like this. Now what I'll do is I like to anchor down just the front little piece here. And then we're going to add our next step, which is the other extension. Next thing I do, clean up to make sure there's no extra hairs in there. And apply the extension. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop the hair down to go up to the side of the hair. I already look at how much better this is already looking. First, she's got a little bit of length there. We're going to go right above that as we move up the head shape. And we're going to go right below the parietal ridge. Just slightly forward, just in front, so that we can fill in this corner here. If you need to take a look, just go ahead and place it where you want it to be to see where it's going to fall. Remembering that we have to make sure that if we pull this hair back that nobody can see it. So with Aura, we're going to have to start out right there, right above it. Alright, so taking our next parting, lift it up into a very clean section. Drop it down and make sure you have a little bit of room to wiggle so that they don't have that hard feel in the first few days. You're not actually saving your clients any money by making them too tight. You're just creating more pain for them. Impossible traction alopecia. So now we've got the hair out of the way that we're not going to use, and we're going to seal this up to create our second filler. Just simply put it on there, line it up. Notice that it has a little bit of a wiggle to it. That's very important. Now lastly, Aura really likes it nice and full around the front. And as you see this area here, because Aura wears her hair exactly the same length every day, we're going to go ahead and put one right up here. That's not an ordinary thing that we do, but you can do it as long as the client knows that's what's up. So for this one, we're going to go slightly above the parietal ridge. Just a little bit more. And notice that I'm taking it here so that it falls down to here. And this is what makes the critical difference. Get here out of the way. Once again, you can always take the tester to see exactly where that hair is going to live. That's where I want it, right there. So here we go. All right, go ahead and lay that down. There it is. Now, if you notice, you see that little bit of wiggle, and I have it drop down a little bit more than the one before. The reason why is because this hair is going to be pulled more than the side hair. So you want to make sure that you're thinking about all of the different things that may happen while the person is wearing any of these extensions. Safety first, kids. All right, let's go ahead and seal this up. I'm going to remove any of the hair that's in the way. I'm going to take one little corner and lay it down as an anchor for the front, and then go ahead and seal it out. So let's see what it looks like now, at least from one side. Natural, just like it came out of her head. So now if we're looking at the other side, you can see the exact difference between one side to the other side. It really gives them a lot more fullness, a lot more thickness, and pretty much what they're desiring anyway. So once again, you want to call them fillers instead of extensions. You can use 5 of them for this particular hairstyle to get exactly what you want right around the front corners where the hair is the weakest as far as volume goes. Secondly, make sure you remember where the sunglasses are going to go, and if they pull their hair in a ponytail or if they pull their hair behind their ears. Make sure you remember that above the ear. And then lastly, make sure you tell them how to care for their hair, what products to use. Make sure you give them all of the right tools that they're going to need to make sure that their extension experience is amazing. I'm Brent Hardgrave, and I hope you guys have enjoyed Tips and Tricks Tuesday. We'd love it if you do this. Subscribe. See you later.
Hi, Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.